Although it isn't easy to accept, the truth is that a person's success or failure is mostly decided by their small daily habits. Great people always say the same thing: nothing special changes in a single day. But when one day connects to another and those days turn into habits, that is when the shape of the future is formed. Often, we dream as big as the sky, but the small steps that lead to those dreams seem useless to us, so we ignore them. Not now. We'll see later. I'll definitely start tomorrow. These sentences slowly bring a person's progress to a halt. This is the story of a young man named Hamza. Hamza had very big dreams, but there was no order in his life. He kept thinking that maybe one day everything would suddenly change. But the reality is that life does not change like a movie in a single scene. Living in a quiet town, Hamza was an ordinary student. He was neither at the very front nor at the very back, but in his heart there was a desire to become something, to achieve something. The problem was that Hamza lacked discipline. He would start tasks but wouldn't complete them. He considered small responsibilities insignificant and couldn't stick to any routine for long, whether it was studies, health, or learning a new skill. Every time he said the same thing: "I'll start next week," and that next week never came. His family advised him. His teachers warned him, but Hamza believed that success comes only from big decisions. And since he was afraid of big decisions, he didn't even take small steps. One evening, he met an experienced teacher from the neighborhood, Professor Naeem. After listening to Hamza, the teacher gently said, "My son, do you know the real secret of progress?" Hamza listened silently. The teacher said, "Success doesn't come from loud, dramatic actions. It is built from quiet, daily efforts." Then he gave an example. Have you ever heard of the Chinese bamboo? After planting it, nothing appears above the ground for several years. People think the seed has gone bad, but in reality, the plant is strengthening its roots underground, and when the time comes, it reaches the sky within a few weeks. The teacher concluded, human effort is the same. In the beginning, there is no appreciation, no visible result, but these very small efforts later turn into strong success. These words sank into Hamza's heart. For the first time, he realized that he was always waiting for a big change, but never gave small changes a chance. If you truly want to change your life, don't wait for a special day or a big opportunity. Start a small habit today, whether it's 10 minutes of study, a little exercise, or a promise you make to yourself. Like bamboo, results won't be visible immediately, but consistency will achieve what you never even imagined. Now ask yourself, which one small habit will you start today? If this story touched your heart, be sure to share it further. I'll return soon with another new, meaningful story. Until then, be patient, be grateful, and keep moving forward quietly.